Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a Temu haul. This stuff took a little bit of a time to come. I don't know what's going on with the shipping. It seems like it's taking a little bit longer. Maybe it had to do with the holiday that just passed for them, but I am not sure. But anyways, I'm gonna share with you guys. Most of this stuff is Valentine's Day. I wish I would have got it a little bit earlier, but it is what it is. I'm still gonna be crafting Valentine's Day. So, and these things, they could probably work even, I don't even remember what I ordered. But anyways, let's get into it. I'm gonna have my code listed down below and all the information you need. If you would like to save some money with Temu, all the details will be listed down below. And I also have a playlist where you guys can check out other things from Temu if you're interested in finding some things. Okay, so let's get started. This is the first thing that I grabbed. And it did say that it was only... I'm going to leave everything linked down below, guys, because I believe that it said it was just a yard or so. And I thought that I ordered 2. But anyways, this is a beautiful velvet. You guys know I've been making those velvet bows from Hobby Lobby. And I saw this one that's like rainbow ombre type of thing. So I think I think this is 2 yards, guys. I don't know. But I wanted to make some bows with this. I thought this would be perfect for spring crafting. Or really anytime. You can't go wrong with that. I grab these beads here. Let me get my scissors. These are like velour. I think you will call them like velour. They have a really soft, fuzzy finish. And so this is the mixed color. You guys know I like to get the mixed color to see the colors, how they come. What is that? I have to use this side. But, you know, with the mixed colors, you only get a couple of pink usually. So I'm definitely going to be ordering more of the pink and maybe the yellow. But there's also blue and purple. And this is maybe a 10-piece set. Yeah. 10-piece set for the assorted variety. So I grabbed those. Those are really pretty. I grabbed these 2 here. I grabbed the pink and I grabbed the darker pink and the lighter pink. So this color is called, it doesn't say, but I'll have it listed, guys. And if you ever don't see anything listed, it might be that it's sold out, or just leave me a message and I'll remember to put it there. But it's like an organza. And then the hearts, I wanted to say they're flocked, but they're not really flocked. I don't know what kind of material that is, but it's a really pretty tulle mesh organza type of deal. I'll leave the details down below, guys. This is a lot. I don't know, maybe it's like a yard. I'm not sure, guys, but maybe it'll give the details in there. So I grabbed the darker pink and the lighter pink, and again with Valentine crafting in mind. I'm working on a tutorial for my little heart box, and this is gonna pair perfectly for this, because usually the tool that I love, it's a short row, and so this is gonna pair perfectly. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to use the brighter pink, but I grabbed that for, again, Valentine's Day crafting. And guys, if you ever want a like coupon or something from Temu, hit up customer care. Honestly, I wasn't going to place this order. And then I messaged them and I said, hey, I want to place an order. Can you give me a coupon? And they gave me a 20% off coupon for my order. So don't be scared. Closed mouths don't get fed, guys. Hit that customer service, that little like, I think it's like a headphone icon. And type in, hi, I have some things in my car and I like a coupon to order. Next, I grabbed this. This was totally enabled by, It's a Deal, Leanna. I'm going to link her channel down below. I saw one of her hauls and she showed this and I had to have it. And the reason why I grabbed it, because I do have a lot of like envelope dies in my stash, but this one had a layering piece, so I really wanted it. And it was super cheap. I like the cute little round edge that can tuck in here. Isn't that cute? So I think you only die cut this once, you guys. Just fold it over and that's your policy envelope. So that was cute. Thank you, Leanna, for sharing that. Enabling me. Okay. Next, I grabbed this, and it did not look like this pictured. It looked all nice and neat. So again, the bows. This, I showed you guys a mint color that I had in my stash, and it was sold out, and I couldn't link it for you guys. A lot of you guys were asking me, and I'm so sorry that I could not find it. So I purchased this in hopes that it would have that color, and it does. This is that color. Okay, so, oh my God, this is a mess. Temu, what's going on? Excuse me. But guys, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. My baby always blessing me. Okay, guys, so I'm not sure how many yards, but I know there was about 5, 6, or 7 different colors. Let's see. We have the baby blue, the purple, like coral color. We have white. I don't like how this is bunched up, you guys. Let's take this apart. This is, Temu, it would have took y'all just a little while to roll this up right. Yeah, guys, this is not cool. I'm gonna be sending them a picture of this. I don't know. Okay, so we have white. I'm gonna have to play with this off camera. Yellow. There goes that mint color green. The purple. We have a pink. That like peachy. So far that is the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7. I believe there's 7 colors, you guys. And you get a nice amount of it, but it's going to come like this. So, I don't know. I'm going to have to take the time and roll that up nicely, even if I do it, like, against the card or something. Because that's going to drive me nuts. But it was a really good deal. I remember it not being that pricey. Okay, next, I bought a ton of these. I think this was 1,000 of them. I go through these really quickly. I love to put these bead caps on all of my solid color bead, really any color, any beads. But they're the ones that I always purchase. I was running low on them. And so I grabbed these. Oh, they look a little different. I think they're a tiny bit different. But I needed a huge amount because, you know, they say 100, 200, and you think, oh, that's going to last me a long time. But really, if you make a lot of dangles or beaded, you know, do your bead work, usually for one bead, it'll take 2. So if you're making a dangle that has 4 beads, 5 beads, you know, that's going to be 10 for 1. Then I had this in my cart, and I saw Leanna show this too. And I wasn't sure how it was going to look in person, so that's why I had it in my cart for so long. But when she showed it, it looked so pretty, and so I had to snatch it. It is this pink velvet, and it has the gold edging. Really pretty. See, this is how I was expecting that other one to come. But I guess that would have been hard. So that's pretty. I'm definitely going to need like maybe 2, 3 more packs of this. But this is the pink. And then I grabbed 2 of this green one, okay? So I wanted to make sure it was the right color for you guys. And it is. So hopefully it's not sold out. It's called Fresh Green. And so I will have this link down below for you guys, for those of you who watched my bow video. Okay, so I did get 2 packs of the beads, the assorted colors. And you see this one was a hit because I got a bunch of pink. Yay, and there was a green one in here. Okay, so I'm happy with these. All right, let's keep going. Then I picked up these because I was like, I haven't picked up any bow charms in a long time. And so I had to have these. They're so pretty, guys. They're pink, and they have little hearts in the center. They're a really pretty rounded bow. So adorable. And then you get 10 in a pack. I think I spent a total of $30, $40 for this entire haul. And then here goes some more of these bead caps. And I want to say they look different. Yeah, they are a little different. These are more cupped than these. So I grabbed 2 packs of those. And I think like each one comes with 100, guys. But like I said, I run through these really quickly. Then I grabbed some more bow beads. These are so pretty, guys. I've been having these in my cart as well. And I was hoping to get them earlier because I've been playing with my collection and it does have these colors in it. So it's a pretty pink heart. It's got a blue arrow going through it and a white bow. They're so gorgeous. Okay, 10 in a pack. So I grabbed 2 of that pink one. Ooh, this was a fun find, guys. I had this in my cart for a long time. And it went down lower than what it was listed as. So I decided to check out. And it's 30 pieces. They're pink. And like I said, 30 is nothing. Okay, because you got to use 2 for each one. But they're a pretty pink bead cap. So I'm excited to have those in my stash. 30 was not enough, so I had to get 90. Because there's 30 in a pack and I got 3. And that's probably still not going to be enough. I'm going to have to buy another 3 packs next time I place an order. Oh, I grabbed just the 2. I grabbed the extra of those bow ones. So I got 20 of those. And then I grabbed these patches. I have a lot of patches in my cart. I love patches, guys. And I don't use them like I should, but I just had to have them in my stash for when I need them. And again, these are Valentine's Day themed. Let me see, does it say how many it comes with? 10 pieces. So you get 5 of the heart-shaped locket. Look at how cute. And then you get 5 of the arrows, the bow and arrows. So pretty, guys. So I grabbed that. I love to have stuff like this in my stash. They're cool to put on bags. They're cool to put on those little cosmetic bags, on clothing, whatever. Every and anything you can put these on. And then last but definitely not least, I grabbed 2 of these like self-seal bags. This one is the pink color and it's a bow pattern. Let me show you guys. Take one out so you guys can see. Isn't that cute? You know I had to get it because it had the bows. So pretty. And I think there's like 50 or 100. Again, I'll leave the information down below so you guys can see how many are in there. But this was really cheap. I think it was like $1 or $2. So I love Temu's products, but they've been like slacking in the delivery department. They've been taking a while. I'm not gonna lie. I know I gotta keep it real. So then this is the heart one. And then I have other colors of the heart ones in my cart. I have some white ones, but I grabbed the pink one. I was already like spending way more than what I wanted to spend. I only want to spend like $20, $30, and I ended up spending close to $40. But how cute. I love these little bags. But that is it, guys. That's it for my Temu haul. I just wanted to get on here real quick and share with you all in case you guys see anything that you would like to snatch. Let me know down below what your favorite find is from everything that I showed. And I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.